We have to talk a little louder this time.
Are we on?
Yeah.
Hi Terry, how's it
Hello.
going?
This is our second attempt.
Yeah, here's Heidi.
We thought we'd put the dog in there so you could see our puppers.
And how big she's grown and gotten furry. How's everything going? Hope you're fine.
We're just kicking back today. I wanted to do a little video and see if I can get it on YouTube and you can check it out. May possibly show it to your parents, I don't know.
I hope you can. I'd love for Mom and Dad to see us and our doggy. They haven't seen us for a while, but you know, hopefully we'll manage to get there. Yeah.
So she's nice and clean.
But she's not very happy.
She's really afraid of the camera for some reason.
And everything else. She's kind of skittish. So where do you think you're going to come down here? What?
You're welcome anytime.
Yeah.
Love to see you. Say hello to your mom and dad for us.
Yeah, please say hello to Mom and Dad. And
It'd be nice if you
hopefully,
could show this
yeah,
video to them. I don't know how you do it, but maybe if you
Well.
get it on your iPod or something like that.
Heidi says hello. It's real nice here right now. It's a little too warm to even go outside, but it's been pretty nice. How's your weather?
So anyway, email them when you get a chance. And I'll email you back like usual. So anyway, I'll talk to you later, Terry.
I love you.
Love you.
Have a good time with Mom and Dad at dinner.
Bye-bye.
Take care. Bye.